สุดในเนี่ยออกนี้ไงนี้ยังmột vừa cả breakdown từ lời poster bọn nông tú mùi để clientกดมันแต่ตรงมาให้bọn nông vừa cả breakdown ก็โดยจีดvừa poster แต่ตัวของbọn ông túนี่คือยงดักเฟย์มวยสันเดียเนาะเนี่ยเคยจังคือยังตระพักกาแฟมวยสันชีวิตเนี่ยดีไซน์เนอร์คืออดอ่านอดกาแฟมาเลยไอ้ในขนม poster มันนี้ได้คือខ្ញុំអត់លេងអីច្រើនទេគឺសាមញ្ញបែបងាយស្រួលយល់ព្រោះ concept ដែល client គាត់កំងនោះគឺតកតងទៅនឹងពិធីបន់អំទូបើសិនជាអ្នកគ្នាអត់ដឹងគឺខ្ញុំគឺជា graphic designer ម្នាក់ដែរហើយបើសិនជាចង់តកតង design poster អីអ្នកគ្នាអាចតកតងមកខ្ញុំបានគឺជួយនៅគុណភាពតែប៉ុន្តែគឺមានclient ខ្លះគឺខ្ញុំអត់បាន breakdown layer ក៏ដូចជា breakdown poster ទៅដោយសារតែរវល់ពេកអញ្ចឹងទៅក៏ទៅខ្ញុំទៅតែធ្វើការbreakdown poster មួយនេះមុនគេអូខេអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូមួយនេះ